Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining again. So, we will be learning the basic syntax of try, catch, finally. So, let me type a class which will be called as try, catch, finally, block. I'll call with this name, and I'll be having the public static void main. Public static void main string args and I'll have system.out.println. It's always a habit of writing this. So start of main, end of main. Okay, let me compile this as usual and interpret it. Dot Java. Start of main, end of main. Now, this session is purely to understand when we start writing a try, it should be a block. It should be a block. It cannot be a statement. What do you mean by that? Statement means having a semicolon like this, which you might have seen in the form of if else, if and else, where it is 12 greater than 3. You can have like this, but with respect to with respect to try catch, it has to be a try block. Let me save this. Let me save this. Let me try to compile it. So you can see a huge list of errors. It is telling that it is trying to explain you that when you are writing a try, it should be a block. Means you're trying to have this is expected. So let me improvise this. When we write a try, it should be followed by a catch block, or it must be followed by a finally block. So let's see that one. Try block has been written. It is very clearly giving you a message that try is without catch, finally, or resource declaration. Resource declaration will take it later. Now, try should be followed by a catch block, or try should be followed by a finally block. So let's have a catch block in one example. And catch block should be having an exception object in its parameter, that is in the round bracket. So this is one syntax. Try should be followed by a catch block. Gone. The second one, try, when you write a try, if there is no catch block, it's fine, but it should have a finally block. Good. Let me remove this now and let me show you. Try without catch, finally, or resource allocation. So what should be there? Try should be followed by a finally block. All the three are blocks here. So try should be followed by a catch, or try should be followed by a finally block. Down the line, we'll understand how it works. So let me write this as syntax 1, and this is your syntax 2. Now this will be the syntax 3, means you can have one try followed by more than one catch block. And then you can have final. Final is actually optional block. Each catch block which is defined here, should have different objects. So for that, I'll be taking some of the examples, example classes, which we'll be learning down the line. So I'll go with file not found exception. This comes with file handling. So I'll go with divide by 0 exception obj1 array index out of bounds exception. Each exception class ends with the name exception. Divide by 0 exception, array index out of bounds exception, and at last I'll try to have exception object. So let us see or concentrate about the third line, that is the third syntax. Do we have any error? So it says divide by 0 exception. Error cannot find this symbol. Okay, so this should be arithmetic exception. That is the class in C# language, the .NET one. So divide by 0. Did I save it? I should save it and then I should compile it. Sorry, I think I changed this one. I was supposed to change this one. Arithmetic exception. Can you see? The error is gone. So, so let us jump into the points which were getting discussed here. Try block must be followed by catch block or finally block. Try catch finally must be a block only. That is, they must have flag bracket. Exactly same way the remaining will be explained through programs. So this video was recorded just to explain you people how we can write try, catch, and finally block. Try with catch, try with finally, or then we need to go. In the previous video, we discussed about try, catch, execution, try, catch, finally execution. So this video is all about understanding the syntax. Try with catch, try with finally, try, catch with finally. That is try with multiple catches. Each catch block must have different exception objects to handle or to catch it. Thank you for watching this video. Next video will be discussing on try and finally block, how it executes, and how try with multiple catch will execute. Thank you for watching this video.